party people. Okay, so I am working on this face today, and I feel like doing something fun for a cute little Galentine's Day. Not a Valentine's Day date because we don't have a man, but I got friends and we're gonna go out and have some fun and get drunk and just live our best lives. Okay, so we're getting to the good stuff now. I'm ready for it. I'm excited for it. So first things first, right? So I already did my concealer on the upper lid, but now this lid needs some love. I'm using Too Faced 24-Hour Insurance because it is what it says it is. I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Ultimate Basics to start with as my base. Starting with Nude. Faith, but only right here in the crease, and only on the outer crease, and a very light dusting of it. So right now I'm looking at 3 different mirrors and this screen, so my eyes probably going everywhere. But it's good to have angles. Okay. For now, I'm done with this palette. I'm swapping over to my Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons palette. It's super cute. Look at it. It's just so adorable. Okay, so I'm going in and I'm gonna do a combination of sprinkles and cotton candy together. And I'm gonna do that in the middle, right here. I'm not going all the way up, but I'm not touching down yet. And I'll tell you where I'm blending it out. Alright, so now I'm going to take cotton candy. And put her on the lid. I'm concentrating it more toward the front. Alright, so I've created my soft look. So now I'm going to take a little bit of Totally Fetch. And right where we did Bitter, I'm just going to put that on top. So I'm almost like creating a V shape. I'm hitting here and out. So now I have my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer. I'm gonna get into that with my Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal palette. It's full of really cool bright colors and I can't wait to play with it. So the Anastasia Beverly Hills shadow primer is white. And it's very heavy, very concentrated, so you don't need a lot. So I'm just gonna pull this eye out. I'm gonna pat this on. But I'm gonna also blend it. So this is not like a full cut crease, but it's close.
I do. Honestly? Yes. Secretly, but honestly. No more secrets.
You see where it's sitting? And how it's blended out. Okay, so now I'm going in with bottoms up. Okay. And we don't look sick. Come on now, because you know sometimes pink eyeshadow, you look a little... Alright, so I'm going back in my Chocolate Bonbons palette. And now I'm going to take Sprinkles by itself. I'm going to blend that from the inner corner out. Inner corner. Then I'm going to go in with Satin Sheets, which is right here. And a little bit of Cotton Candy. Right here in the beginning. I'm going to take Satin Sheets by itself and use it as my brow highlight. Now it's time for mascara, lashes, liner, and whatever other drama I want to add to this look. I'm debating right now on the lip, so we shall see. Alright, I'm going to use my Smashbox Superfan mascara sample. I've got to buy the full-size version. So I feel like this look deserves a fun purple wet line. So now it's time for skin. I like to do skin first before I do lashes and liner and the final touches. That way you can get a real feel for what the look is going to be. So here goes. Time to put the finishing touches on these eyes, darling. First things first, I'm going to pick my lashes. The color appear brighter. So it is bright. I want a little more pow, right? So I'm gonna take white eyeliner. What, girl? No. Yes. So I'm gonna pull just like that. And right in the corners. Then I'm gonna go back into my Chocolate Bonbons palette. And back to satin sheets. And right on top of that white, putting little satin sheets. Okay, so you know what's next? Lips! Starting with pink. Pink is fun. I'm not lining, I'm filling. So this is a gel lip liner from Wet n Wild and Never Pedal Down. Yes, sis, never pedal down. Okay, so now I'm taking a darker brown. Some will say it's too dark, but it's all about your pressure and how you apply it. And yeah. So, very lightly, unless you want that really dark brown, which I don't. Take a brush, and from the outside in, and blend it. And then I'm just going to take a shimmer gloss that I got from Too Faced and a little sample that I got. And this is Sunset Crush. And there you have a very natural lip, cute, shimmery, ready to party, ready to find somebody's son out in these streets. And finally, last but not least, darling, set it.